Ako nga pala si Amy Sanral Ikipelag, Section LFCA 311 E013. At ang topic ko ngayon ay importance of mobile application. So, what is mobile application? Mobile application is program which is designated to run on smartphones, tablet, computers, and other electronic device. So, yung mobile application, siya yung mga apps na nagagamit natin sa cellphone, sa laptop, or sa iPad, yan. Okay. Mobile application platforms. The mobile apps are available through application distribution platforms such as Apple Store, Google Play, Windows Phone Store, and BlackBerry App World. So, mobile application platforms, dito nakukuha yung mga app or nai-install o para magamit natin. Why mobile application? Website is updated. Your customers demand an update version of everything and anything. The world is getting smarter and lazier and want things to be swiped or click away. So, yung sinasabi rito, yung pag-update ng mga version ng mga apps. Kasi, yun nga, mas nag-upgrade tayo. Mas gusto ng mga tao na mas madali lang yung paggamit ng application. Number of smartphone users. Sa Android, meron ng 800 million users. Sa Apple naman, meron ng 300 million users. Then sa Windows, merong 45 million users. Types of mobile apps. Free apps. Free apps are available on app stores, free of charge. You can use all the features of free apps without paying any amount. Yung free apps, siya yung mga nada-download lang natin sa mga App Store, Play Store, ng libre. Wala siyang bayad. Premium apps. Premium apps are provided free of charge but some amount is charged for extra features. So, example ko rito is yung YouTube. Pag gusto mo mag-upgrade ng premium, para no ads. Ganun din sa Spotify para only skip ka lang. Paid apps. Paid apps are the ones where you actually pay for the app through the virtual currency. So, ito example dito is yung mga games na may bayad bago siya malaro, bago siya ma-install. Importance of apps for business. Increase exposure across smartphone users. Enhance the brand visibility. Builds relationship and loyalty, creates a strong sell-through. So, increase exposure across smartphone users. Ito yung mas mapakilala yung apps sa mga smartphone users. Enhance the brand visibility. So, ito yung yung ads na minsan nakikita sa YouTube or sa Facebook. Yun, pinopromote nila yung app nila. Then, dito mo tayo, how to select app development company. More application have unlocked new opportunities for companies to innovate in digital age. To ensure hiring a vendor with the proper skills to complete your project on time and on budget, here are a few recommendations to consider. Assess the vendor portfolio, company culture, marketing expertise, the big picture. Then, why is mobile interesting? Big. 5.2 billion mobile phone subscription versus 4.2 billion people with toothbrush. So, dito sinasabi na mas marami pa yung gumagamit ng cellphone kaysa sa gumagamit ng toothbrush. On hand. For 91% of population, the device is only arm's length away, 24/7. Users look at their mobile device 150 a day on average. So, dito sinasabi na yung 91% nga ng population natin, nasa kamay lang yung cellphone. Tsaka tinitignan 150 times a day on average. Individual. 60% of married people will not share their mobile with spouse. Gadget convergence.